In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Octopus card on Hong Kong. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to acquire and use an Octopus card, the process is extremely simple. For this video, I'm going to assume that you already know how you are going to acquire the Octopus card, but if you don't, keep in mind that there are various ways available on the Octopus website. I highly recommend that you take your time to go to octopus.com.hk and you learn about all the possible methods in which you can acquire the Octopus card. For most people, and the one that I'm going to cover in this video, the most convenient way to use the Octopus card is through your phone as long as it has NFC capabilities. This allows you to use your phone instead of carrying around a physical card, but if you prefer the feel of the physical card, you can also purchase it at various official stores and retailers. Make sure to learn how you can purchase a card either at an airport, or if you are arriving by land, you can look for places like 7-Eleven, CTS, TripAdvisor, etc. Browse through all of the options, and as soon as you have your card, if you have the physical card, simply place it near the card reader whenever you want to pay for something. As soon as you hear the beep, and if you have enough balance, the transaction is done and you are ready to go. Alternatively, if you have not a physical card, but a digital Octopus card, like I'm showing you on screen, you have to download the latest version of their app through the Play Store or the App Store, sign up, and you should see the card attributed to your account. In there, you can top it up with balance and manage the card at any time, and you can also add the card to a digital wallet, which makes the process of adding balance and using your card near the card reader to pay for any transactions even simpler. So all that you have to do is tap the add button underneath your card after you download the latest version of the app, and this will redirect you to your digital wallet of choice, where you can set up the Octopus card and add balance to start using it around Hong Kong. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Octopus card on Hong Kong. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.